What's up everybody, my name is Branko Turanovic. I'm a freelance concept designer working in games and movies industry, and this time I want to introduce you to my latest tutorial in which I will cover different modeling techniques we have in this amazing piece of software called Moment of Inspiration. MOI is a CAD-based modeling tool used by industry's top professionals because it's super fast and super powerful at the same time. In this tutorial, I'm covering everything from user interface, every single tool. I will explain how you can use all those operations in proper way, and then in second part I will demonstrate how you can combine all those different operations and different tools in really unique ways, and how you can achieve some really amazing and advanced looking 3D shapes. So I hope that you will have much fun using MOI, and I can't wait to see your next creations.